Oh, getting on microwave.
We're gonna blow some shit up.
Nice. Get it in there. Alright, you grab like one side. Yep, I'm ready.
Alright, got our microwave. Bags suck.
We need a new one. God. These bags suck. Alright, let's go. They were really struggling here. Just throw it in. Alright, we are out here in about 30-degree temperatures. Got the microwave. Now it's time to blow some stuff up. Michael, take it away.
Before we get to one of the main events, iPhone X, we're gonna start off by putting some trash in the microwave.
Oh, what do we got?
We got Colin Kaepernick taking a knee.
Oh, nice. Yeah, throw that
Piece
in there.
of trash.
Yeah.
Hillary Clinton.
Oh, yeah, throw that in there.
Piece of trash. And Joe Flacco.
Oh, yeah. Throw that in there.
Real piece of trash.
Shut that. Put it max.
Let's go 1 minute on high.
Nice. Yeah. Alright, I'll try. Look at that trash. Hope it burns. Alright, we're about a minute and a half in. This is just taking too long, so
Put a little tinfoil
yeah,
there.
we're gonna throw a little tinfoil in there.
Help it get started.
Yep. You know, you gotta burn that trash, you know? Yeah, just throw it in there. What's up, Hillary? How you doing? Don't care. Alright, there you go.
And we'll see how that goes.
There. Nice. Alright, we'll get back to you.
Alright, we got fire.
Nice. Burn that trash. Smoking. Oh. Go get water. I don't want this to explode.
Right. We gotta get the hose. Shit. Shit. Where's the hose? Where's the nozzle? Shit.
It's gonna explode. Can we see the camera? Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, I think we're good.
Next item.
Yeah, on to the next item. Just film me doing this. Alright. What time is now? Just gonna go 10 minutes since it's the iPhone XS.
Not much was happening, so we're gonna try and put some tin foil.
Sorry, get a little carried away something. Nice, you just broke it. Yeah, there we go. Alright, we're going to get something epic. Follow me. There's a state called Pennsylvania that sells fireworks, and they're illegal here in Maryland, but we're gonna light some off in the microwave. Let's go.
Alright guys, we got the iPhone in there and nothing happened to that, so now I'm gonna add the firework.
I don't know how this is gonna end. Dude, go, go, go! Oh my god! Oh shit, shit, shit! God! Oh my! Like that. That was great. I hope we become famous off of this. Neighbors are calling. That was great.
So, holy shit. This is the aftermath. Washed it off with the hose. There's like some clay looking stuff inside of there.
By far the craziest thing I think I've ever done in my life. The video won't be able to show like how loud that was, but you can probably hear that from a couple miles away. That like hurt my ears. That was so loud.
Please like, subscribe.
Please show all your friends because that was stupid.
That was extremely stupid. That was epic.